Welcome to our ultimate guide to making money on YouTube through cash cow videos. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel but aren't sure where to begin, or if you've been struggling to make money with your current content, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll show you what cash cow videos are, why they're so popular, and how you can create them to increase your earnings. So get ready to learn everything about the videos that will help you make money on YouTube. Cash cow videos are those that generate a significant amount of revenue for content creators on YouTube. These videos usually have a large number of views, which translates into revenue through advertising on YouTube. In general, cash cow videos tend to be popular because they offer something valuable to the audience, whether it's information, entertainment, or education. Cash cow videos are important because they allow you to earn money on YouTube consistently. Instead of relying on a viral video to generate income, cash cow videos enable you to have a passive income on your channel. Additionally, profitable videos attract a loyal audience that will be interested in seeing more content from your channel. There are many types of cash cow videos that you can create on your YouTube channel. One of the most popular is the documentary style. This type of video is usually long and detailed, offering a significant amount of information to the audience. You can also create videos about popular trends, news, or current events. Tutorials are also very popular, as many people search for information on how to do something specific. Now that you know the types of cash cow videos, it's important to know how to create them. First, you need to choose a topic that is popular and has a high number of searches on YouTube. Then, research the topic and gather all the necessary information to create a detailed and useful video. Make sure the quality of audio and video is adequate and the duration of the video is appropriate for the topic you're covering. To maximize your earnings with cash cow videos, it's important to optimize your YouTube channel. Ensure that your channel has a good description and is well organized. It's also important to promote your videos on your social media and other related YouTube channels. Additionally, you should make the most of the tools that YouTube offers, such as tags and customized thumbnails. And that's it. Now you know everything about cash cow videos on YouTube, including what they are, why they're important, and how to create them. Remember, it's essential to have quality content that offers something valuable to your audience to earn money on this platform. So go ahead and start creating your own profitable videos on YouTube.